A warm drive circular saw describes the design of a circular saw. It means that the circular saw's got like an angle grinder motor design where the motor sits alongside parallel to the blade. It is generally known for unstoppable power with a slightly less balanced tool, and it's usually much heavier than the other type of circular saws, which are called sidewinder type circular saws. On sidewinder circular saws you find the motor in a 90-degree angle to the blade, usually a very compact design, and the circular saw is generally a little bit better balanced.